One of my favorite meals as a kid was pork and beans and hot dogs, but it's a little twist. As you can see, I have vegetarian baked beans. Go ahead and put you some seasoning in there and butter, and we're going to bring that to a boil. As you can see, the hot dog is boiling. Yes, yes, yes. And the baked beans are also boiling. Bring that to a boil. You're also going to add you some hot sauce and honey to it. Just a little few little sprinkles of each one in there, nothing major. Yep, just like that. Go ahead and give it a good stir, but let's get to this assembly. Go ahead and put your bread down. I don't really care for the other buns. It really don't matter. That's up to you. Yep, but I'm just using bread instead of a hot dog bun. Go ahead and pour your I'm sorry, baked beans over the hot dog. And yes, I'm putting a little extra on there. I like a little extras on mine. So excuse me for wanting a little extra baked beans. And go ahead and put you some mustard. A lot of mustard. Yes, a lot of mustard and a little ketchup on there. And here you go. Voila. Favorite kid meal growing up as a kid was pork and bean and hot dogs. But this is just baked bean vegetarian hot dog with a little twist.